This episode threads blistering F1 overtakes, MotoGP battles, and rally dust as crews chase records beneath roaring grandstands. Interviews with drivers and riders reveal the mindset behind clutch drops, nerve, and tactics that decide wins by milliseconds. Behind the scenes, engineers dissect pit strategies, telemetry spikes, and the data that fuels every headline moment and statistic. The automotive segment introduces a fresh supercar, compares specs, clocks lap times, showcases dramatic time-lapse mods, and pits it against a rival. From drag races to performance tests and a classic restoration, the episode captures engine song, exhaust notes, and fans' electric reactions.